Let's take a look at this lens protector at the end of the term. SP71766. So how do we install this? First, we take the lens here, remove the 2 screws here, and after taking out these 2 screws, we'll also remove this lens for you. When we're disassembling, we need to be careful not to touch the center of the lens, and we must wear clean gloves. And also wear a mask, otherwise our saliva might splash onto the glass. Put this aside. If the lens gets contaminated, we'll need to remove these 3 screws. After we take this off, the lens surface will be exposed. I'm outside. Take the lens. Handle it gently, very gently. There is a front and back side, so remember that. Let's take this O-ring. Place it into this protective case. Today I must be absolutely sure to place it right here very, very gently and carefully. Be careful, don't flip it over, and definitely don't put it in upside down. Didn't bring the width. Install it. The 3 screws on top go onto this part. I'm not talking about any competitors.
Cameras, camera equipment, and things like that in restaurants. You can buy it online in Shanghai, that's fine. If you order through my company, it'll definitely be more expensive.
Okay.
Is it reaching the absolute ceiling, or is it still perfectly okay? The ceiling isn't the only limiting factor to consider.
Let's install the screws, put the screws in. Within this particular bag, nestled within this rather thin, verdant green wood, you will find that there are indeed several long, durable screws thoughtfully included. Search again. Try searching for isopropanol. See if you can find it. Ask someone else too. I feel like every day is the same.
No, don't win.
They said,
Teacher is quite clearly written in the instruction manual.
okay. Alright, once I finish installing it, it's fine, no problem. There's a tube. Okay, we'll just bring a tube with us. After we carefully cut this wooden board, we can then proceed to place it directly underneath, ensuring a secure fit. The air comes out from here, goes into the space between the 2 tubes. After we cut it, just push it together from top and bottom, and it will blow air, then connect it to the air source. That's it.